I've still got the mirror one on and it's not very patchy at all. Doesn't transfer. Hi guys, hi, welcome to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you're all doing wonderful. You're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. I'm going to be doing a first impression on the matte liquid lipsticks, the Bad K. I'm not sure if you've heard about it. I've never heard about these lipsticks. This will be my first time. I was actually on AliExpress the other day shopping for hair as usual. That's all I do on AliExpress. And I came across these liquid matte lipsticks. And I thought, they actually look very good. I wanted to do a review on them. They come in a set. They come in 8 sets. That's how they look. The design on the box is similar to the Kylie Jenner, except the design is a little bit different. I decided to purchase all 8 of them. Me being extra, I purchased all 8. Obviously, some of the colors will not complement my skin tone. Just by looking at them, lighter ones, I know they will not go with my skin tone, but I'm gonna put them on anyway. I'm gonna be swatching them and I'll be putting them on my lip, and at the end of the video I will be giving you my thoughts and my opinions on those lipsticks, whether they're worth it or not. Keep watching. Bye. All 8 of them were $14.99 US. Because I live in the UK, it took about 10 days for it to reach me. I'm going to be doing all the lighter colors first. I'll start off with Koko. I just took off the lipstick that I was wearing, so that's why I got a line around my face. So please pardon me. Thank you. This is Koko. So that's how Koko looks like. Candy. So that's Candy. I'm gonna swatch Candy. So that's how Candy looks like. That's Posie. Now I'm going to do the dark colors. Muse. That's how Muse look like. It's quite similar. That's how Muse look like. Very pigmented. Overall, this lipstick are not bad at all for the price, $14.99. You cannot go wrong with it. The darker ones are my favorite. They go well with my skin tone and they feel a little bit more creamier. They're not as drying. The lighter colored ones are very patchy, and when they start drying out they get very patchy and they feel very dry, and obviously they don't go with my skin tone. There's nothing I can do with those ones. Will I purchase them? I will purchase the darker colors. I will be purchasing Mary, I will be purchasing Leo and Muse. Those colors are actually quite nice on me, and also they're a little bit more creamier. Lipsticks don't transfer when they're on, but the only thing is they're very drying. Right now my lips are dried out. For me to wear them I have to probably apply Vaseline or something, or lip gloss or something on top of it for me to feel comfortable, because right now they feel very uncomfortable on. The lighter colored ones I will definitely not be purchasing them. The packaging, you get what you pay for. It's not so bad actually. I do like the actual lipsticks package. It looks very nice. It looks quite similar to the Kylie Jenner one, because I think that's what they were going for. This one is like a paper box and it has the lipstick on it. I think they're not bad for the price at all. If you live in the UK, then you don't pay for any service charges or any shipment charges. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and be a part of my family. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye. God bless.